Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are discussing the answers of botany paper of common PG entrance test. I have already uploaded the answer keys of life science, biotechnology, conservation and biodiversity and zoology. Let's begin. The first question, lipopolysaccharide in cell walls is the characteristic of which of the following microorganisms? The answer is B, gram-negative bacteria. Which one of the following is not a cyanobacteria? The answer is D, Zygnema. Presence of phycobilins is the typical feature of which one of the following? The answer is A, Cyanophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Which one of the following is branched form of starch? The answer is B, that is amylopectin. The biomembrane exhibiting maximum fluidity is C, thylakoid membrane. Primary structure of protein is stabilized by B, peptide bond. Read the following statements and choose the appropriate combination. Passive transport does not require energy and occurs in a downhill direction. Second, passive transport does not require energy and occurs in an uphill direction. Active transport requires energy and occurs in a downhill direction. Active transport requires energy and occurs in an uphill direction. And the correct answer is D. Statement 1 and 4 are correct, but 2 and 3 are wrong. Which one of the following is true for fungi? The answer is D, that is eukaryote and lack chlorophyll. Then Rhizopus stolonifer belongs to which one of the following class? The answer is B, Zygomycetes. The group of plants which can produce spores and embryos but lack seeds and vasculature are, the answer is C, bryophytes. Which one of the following is a pteridophyte? The answer is B, Lycopodium. Presence of coralloid roots is the typical feature of C, that is Cycas. Which one of the following is not a phloem cell? The answer is C, trachid. The name of the scientist who coined the term Cran's anatomy in C4 plants is coined by G. Haberland, that is C. Anemona's secondary structure is found in A. Dracena. Jute is A. The answer is D, that is bast fiber from secondary phloem. Question number 17. Green revolution is revolution in agriculture and crop field, that is A. Sequence on the DNA molecules that are same on both strands when read in same direction are known as B, that is palindromic sequence. Actually, most of the restriction sequences are palindromic sequences, but all the restriction sequences are not palindromic sequences. So, the sequence which can be read in similar way from 5' to 3' or 3' to 5' is palindromic sequence. For example, GAATTC, Gatak, it is the palindromic sequence, but it is also a restriction sequence for EcoR1. But all the restriction sequences are not palindrome. So, the answer would be B. Question number 19. In case of incomplete dominance, the phenotypic ratio of a monohybrid cross is B, 1:2:1. In meiotic cell division, daughter cells are produced by two successive divisions where the answer is D. First division is reductional, whereas second is equational. As meiosis is containing two steps, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. During meiosis 1, if the parent cell is having 46 number of chromosomes, so two daughter cells will be formed, and those two daughter cells will have 23 as chromosome number. And in second meiotic division, the two daughter cells which were formed from a single parent cell, now these two daughter cells undergo meiosis 2, and there will be 4 daughter cells at the end, and these 4 daughter cells will have 23 number of chromosomes each. So, the answer is D. Question number 21. Which one of the following enzyme is responsible for joining of Okazaki fragments to form the lagging strand of DNA? The answer is C, that is DNA ligase. Which one of the following DNA marker used to determine the paternity of a child? The answer is B, RFLP, that is restriction fragment length polymorphism. Which one of the following is chain initiating codon to code an amino acid during protein synthesis? The answer is A, AUG. Crossing over takes place in which of the following during prophase 1 of meiosis? The answer is B, pectitate. Which one of the following biogeochemical cycle is a sedimentary cycle? The answer is D, that is phosphorus cycle. The other three are our gaseous cycles. Then ecosystem is the smallest unit of C, that is biosphere. Which one of the following is most primitive family among angiosperms? The answer is Magnoliaceae. 28. Hutchinson's system of classification of plants has been published in C, that is families of flowering plants. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about apomixis? The answer is B, that is meiotic division and fertilization of gametes takes place to form a zygote. Question number 30. Water potential inside the xylem at the top of a tall plant during the hot sunny day time is A, that is always negative. Question number 31. According to Poiseuille's equation, the amount of pressure gradient required to lift water from the base to the top of a 100-meter tall tree is approximately, the answer is B, 2 megapascals. Question number 32. According to Munn's pressure flow hypothesis, the main driving force for transport of organic solutes in the flowing tissue from source to sink is B, osmotically generated pressure gradient. Which one of the following is a flow region? The answer is D, flowering locus T. Question number 34. Inverted stomatal cycle is the characteristic of which group of plants? The answer is D, CAM plants. The only enzyme in the Krebs cycle attached to inner mitochondrial membrane is A, succinate dehydrogenase. Glycolysis occurs in C, that is both aerobic and anaerobic cells. Which one of the following is the acceptor of carbon dioxide in Calvin cycle? The answer is A, RUBP. The variation in vitro culture is called somaclonal variation, that is C. Introduction of DNA into cells by exposing to high voltage electric pulse is called electroporation, that is D. Which one of the following bacterium is considered as natural genetic engineer? The answer is A, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The chromosome of a typical bacterium is A, that is circular double-stranded DNA. Question number 42. Which one of the followings are acellular slime molds? The answer is B, Myxomycetes. Question number 43. The tobacco mosaic virus is approximately dash in size. The answer is A, that is 300 into 18 nanometer. Which one of the following can be called as a provirus? The answer is D, integrated viral genome. Fungi that lack partitions are called B, that is sinusoidal. The stele present in equisetum is D, that is siphonostele. In gymnosperms, the term megasporophyll is used for A, that is carpels. 48. The final stable community in ecological succession is known as C, that is climax community. 49. The species responsible for making the characteristics of the community are called. I am very much confused with the answer of this question. I don't know. I have tried a lot to search for the answer. Let's skip this one. Question number 50. The famous biological garden Kew is located in B, that is England. Nomenclature refers to C, that is one scientific name consists of generic name and the other species name. Which one of the following is correct about a herbarium? The answer is D, that is all of the above. Which one of the following is the largest family among angiosperms? The answer is B, that is Asteraceae. After fertilization, the seed coat develops from C, that is integuments. Endosperm in angiospermic plants is triploid, that is D. The transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma is called as B, that is pollination. Vascular bundles are scattered in which of the following? The answer is D, monocot stem. Presence of pollen-chimetus hypodermis is the typical feature of A, that is dicot stem. Casparian strips are present in C, that is endodermis. Which one of the following is not the component of water potential? The answer is B, action potential. Which one of the following is not responsible for guttation in grass leaves? The answer is B, that is high transpiration. Which one of the following is involved in active transport? The answer is B, that is channels. Which one of the following is involved in active transport? The answer is A, pumps. Apoplastic phloem loading is basically A, that is a passive process. Which one of the following statement is correct at functional maturity of cells? The answer is A, phloem sieve elements are living cells but xylem tracheae elements are dead cells. Which one of the following is a gaseous growth retarding hormone? The answer is B, that is ethylene. Apical dominance in plants is controlled by auxin, that is A. Km value in enzyme kinetics refers to substrate concentration at half maximal velocity, that is B. The enzyme Rubisco in C3 plants is responsible for both carboxylation and oxygenation, that is C. Which one of the following is not involved in light reaction of photosynthesis? The answer is D, that is flavonoids. With this, we come to the end of this video. According to me, the question level is easy and cutoff would be high. If you find any difference of view, you can comment in the comment section, or if I find anything wrong, then I will mention it in the comment section. So please also check the comment section before leaving this video. Thank you for watching.